Rosel and welcome to Ford Clark. Let's all meet the 2026 Ford Territory Titanium Hybrid. For Territory Trend, we have 1,399,000 and for the Titanium X, 1,599,000. Underneath, we have the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine paired with an electric motor that is powered by a 1.83 kilowatts battery that has 2-speed dedicated hybrid transmission. As you can see, an illuminated front badge can be found on both variants, with Titanium X has a coast-to-coast LED bar that has spawned its width, LED headlights and taillights, LED daytime running lamps, chrome around the steels, repeaters, cameras on front, sides, and rear, 185 millimeters of ground clearance, and another to tell from the Trend to the Titanium are the wheels. 18s wrapped in 235 by 55 by 18 for the Territory Trend, and 19s wrapped in 235/50 R19 for Territory Titanium. 10-way power adjust driver seat and a 4-way manual adjust for passenger seat. Here you have the 12-inch instrumental cluster panel, 12 inches for your infotainment. You have your buttons for your aircon, a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you also have here your buttons for your aircon, a wireless charging pad, a rotary e-shifter, electronic parking brakes, 2 cup holders, compartment. And here you have the cruise control and also your buttons for your infotainment and cluster panel. For Territory Titanium X, you have the adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. And also for Titanium, you have the panoramic sunroof, and also you have a multicolor ambient light. On the second row, you have the big legroom, an air condition, and a USB port, a Type-C for your charging.
So lastly, the best thing about this unit is it comes with a FordPass connectivity wherein you can locate the unit if it's missing, but hopefully it's not, right? Then you can turn it on from afar so the aircon will be activated. It will lessen the heat inside the car. Then lastly, you can check the condition of the unit such as the tire pressure and the oil life or more. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit us here at Ford Clark LGC building to book a test drive or check the actual unit.
My name is Ismaili Gadi. I'm a service advisor at Ford Clark. Tinitiyak namin na maayos, una, yung pag-receive namin sa mga sasakyan or clients natin na pumapasok everyday sa Ford Clark sa service. So we make sure na lahat ng kailangan is ma-check. And of course, we perform also a quality checking before releasing ng sasakyan. We make sure din na lahat ng kailangan nila ng sasakyan nila before sila umalis or magstay sa ating customer lounge is nabibigyan natin sila ng mga quotations or estimate dun sa kanilang mga ipapagawa sa sasakyan. Masaya syempre, no? Kasi bilang nagtatrabaho, malaking achievement yung pagkakaroon ng sasakyan, no? Ginagamit man natin yan sa negosyo o pang sarili natin, malaking achievement yun. We also perform training sa ating mga technicians. Kasi hindi lang sa pakikipag-usap natin sila mas ma-entertain, kundi pa rin naman sa ating performance doon mismo sa ating sasakyan. So, ang may hakbang naman tayo dyan every month or every week na may mga trainings tayo na pinoprovide, not only for our technicians but also for our service advisors also. For our current Ford owner units, no, panatilihin natin sumunod tayo dun sa ating annual preventive maintenance. And also, basahin din natin yung ating warranty booklet dun sa ating mga sasakyan para malaman natin at magka-idea tayo kung ano at ang hindi pwedeng gawin sa sasakyan natin. Galingan lang natin at someday makakakuha din tayo ng sarili nating mga sasakyan.